Hi guys, it's Pam here. Today's video is about how I got my eyelashes to grow a lot longer than they were the last time I did a video on my eyelashes. The last video I did was on the eyelash curler, a heated one and a manual one. It was months after that I decided that I was going to try a lash growth serum, because even though I'm an esthetician and I give people lash extensions, I myself don't have time to get them. I have a problem laying there for an hour or more getting lash extensions. It's maintenance for me. And I also find I have a bad habit of touching my eyes and they don't last as long. So I learned a lot about myself when I got some eyelash extensions. So I wanted to know if there was an alternative to getting better lashes than I already have. So I did some research. First one I tried was this one, Grand Lash MD. So I followed the instructions. It goes on like clear liquid eyeliner, and I'll demonstrate this for you in a little bit. You use it once every single night, and after a couple of weeks you start seeing a little bit of difference. After about consistent use for 4 weeks, you notice a lot more of a difference. But to really notice the maximum benefit, you really need to use it every single night for 3 months to get the maximum benefit. And it was about 3 months when I started looking at myself putting on mascara in the morning, and I realized, like, dang, my lashes are long. And they're my lashes. I didn't have to get any lash extensions. I don't go buy them. This stuff is safe. It's natural. It hasn't done anything to my eye color. I highly recommend it. I also very much recommend it for my clients who come and get lashes, because any kind of lash growth that you can help, it's like vitamins for your lashes, okay? It's good for your lashes if you don't have lash extensions, but it's also great for your lashes if you do have lash extensions, especially for those people who have a hard time getting them to grow longer and thicker. This stuff works, let me tell you. Now with that said, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use this. But I'm going to have all of my eye makeup, my mascara removed, so you can see more closely. And then I'm going to show you before pictures from that video I'm talking about to pictures now up close, before and after, so you guys can see the difference and how all this stuff works. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so how you do it, just go right along the lash line, just like that. I get the bottom lashes too. Safe, it's perfectly fine for the eyes. You can also use this stuff on your eyebrows to help them grow.